Select the task to create a backup copy, check the Advanced Mode box. Click Next. On the step 2 on the left of the list, click on Local or Network Drives. In the drop-down list, select Computer. Click on the plus sign icon in the C drive row. In that folding list on the left, find the driver location folder and click on the plus sign in the folder line. In the list on the right, tick the boxes of files and folders that need to be copied as part of the task. Click OK and the data will appear in the information list on the panel of the task. Next, set the setting to complete the driver backup copying task via the computer plugin. Create a new task using the panel button. Choose the task Restoring Data. Check the Advanced Mode box. Click Next. Find the index file HBA in the storage of recovering copies. Click Next. When restoring files and folders to the same place from where they were copied, the computer plugin will be used automatically. If you need to change the location for data recovery, in the step 3 in the Data Recovery Location dialog box, click the Change Location button. The Change Recovery Location dialog opens. Select a location to restore the information and click OK. Then click Next and set other setting to restore drivers via a plugin computer.